If you want me to stand close to the mic, no problem.
Sir, you want to play a game with me?
No.
Not today. Mr. Allen, take him. We'll bring him back out when he wants to cooperate. On the Styron matter, I sent my bailiff back to get him to bring him back out. The court is of the understanding that the defendant, number one, is being, I will say, uncooperative, has purposely done some things to make it difficult to bring him out. What I'm going to do at this point, wait, and not going to play his game. We will hear him next week because of his behavior today before the court. At this point, I will revoke his bond and I will adjourn the probable cause conference. He certainly poses a risk to even bring him out. So I will adjourn this out to May 2nd.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
Court does call the case People versus Thomas Styron. Your name, sir?
My name's Thomas Styron.
All right. Mr. Styron, you still wish to represent yourself? All right. I do have to advise you that you are before the court on 2 felony charges. You understand that, as well as 1 misdemeanor charge. You understand that, sir?
There's 3 charges I'm facing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understand I'm facing 3 charges.
Okay. You understand that one of those charges is fleeing and eluding 3rd degree? And that's a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration?
Yeah.
Did you not understand that before, sir?
I've got 3 different sets of charges. My charges have changed 3 different times. Since I guess this.
Are you?
Sorry.
What do you mean? Go ahead.
First, I was told it was obstruction of police investigation or something like that, and driving with no operator's license or something. And fleeing and eluding in the first. Now I get it's the 3rd. Is what you said?
Yeah, Mr. Styron.
Sir.
It concerns me a bit that you say that, because I'm looking at it and it looks like the charges have been consistent throughout. So I'm going to ask you this. Do you want to be represented by an attorney to help you out, or at least sort that out?
I'm okay with that myself.
Well, are you really? Because when you come before me today and I tell you what you're charged with, you're telling me, and this case has been going on a bit, you didn't tell me. I do now understand. Hold on a second. I'm not trying to do it to punish you. I mean, if you want to represent yourself, you can represent yourself. I'm just saying that there's great danger in doing that, particularly if you're not sure what those charges are, because you're facing felonies.
I understand. I'm willing to assume the risk of represent myself, yeah.
It's your life. The fleeing and eluding 3rd degree is a felony, sir. He's punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and or $1,000 fine plus court costs and mandatory suspension of your driver's license. You understand that, sir?
I do.
Count 2. It's charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. Well, not attempted, but the actual assaulting, resisting and obstructing a police officer. You understand that charge, sir?
I do.
That is a felony. It is punishable by up to 2 years incarceration and $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
I do.
Third charge is that of operating while driver's license suspended, denied, and or revoked. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
I got a question saying that I don't have a driver's license, so I don't understand how I'm facing that charge.
Sir, I'm not here to answer the question. I mean, that's one of the reasons. Understand something. That is one of the reasons why you would get an attorney, to be able to give you those kinds of advice so that you know what you're facing. That in and of itself is a great peril if you don't know why you're facing a charge and want an answer to that. But right now you can't get an answer to that because it's okay, but you want to be stubborn and you want to say you represent yourself, but you can't even answer that question. Yeah. So if you really see what I'm saying, I'll ask you again. I don't have to keep asking you, but you want to be represented by counsel, Mr. Styron.
If I was to say yes, is it the public defender's office, or do I get a pro bono one? Like, how would that work?
You would get the public defender's office, but you would get one of their attorneys or a group of their attorneys that would be assigned to your case and to represent you throughout it. If they, so that you understand, if they have a conflict, then there are roster attorneys that would then come on and represent you.
Oh, so I'm not locked into one attorney. If it gets assigned to me, I'm not stuck with that.
Well, I don't know what you mean by that. But
like I'm not at the mercy of one attorney. If something, like you said, there's some type of conflict, I would be able to address it.
if there was a true conflict that the public defender's office had, then yes, there's a mechanism by which an attorney would be appointed. So you wouldn't just be stuck waving out there.
Okay.
All right. But usually there's not a conflict with the public defender's office. I'm just saying within the public defender's office, you could be assigned any attorney within that office to represent you, or a group of attorneys to represent you. But they'd be able to answer your questions and would certainly make the court feel better that you got somebody sort of guiding you through it.
Is this case going downtown? This is one of those type of cases that goes downtown?
Well, where it sits right now, oh yeah. I think you thought you may be sitting in misdemeanor land. You're not.
I don't have a problem talking to it.
Well, you want an attorney to represent you, sir.
I'm willing to speak for a minute. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Quit trying to go around my question. You know what question I'm asking, right? You want an attorney to represent you. This now becomes a public defender case.
Is this a public defender?
All right. This is Mr. Styron. He's got 3 charges. He's got fleeing and eluding, third, resisting, obstructing police officer, and driving while license suspended charge. He now realizes he's not. So you want to adjourn this out?
Yes, sir.
A week or 2. Mr. Styron, is there anything else holding you right now?
No, I don't. No.
Or you don't know?
No, sir, I don't.
Hold on a second. I'm just trying to figure it out. Hold on. Do you see anything else holding him? Because I'll just put it out a week if you can get the discovery and be able to answer everything from.
He reports there's not, Judge, if you just give me a moment.
All right.
Yeah, not at this moment, but come May 22nd, he's scheduled for another arraignment, and guess what that charge is?
Look at stuff in action.
But he said a lot to me, so I don't know. I'm just messing with it. That's it.
If you believe Miss Apple, this is it.
I only believe Miss Apple. All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put your case out a week so they can catch up with your discovery and everything. We get a chance to talk to you. Okay, Mr. Stone?
Thank you.
Probable cause conference, so 2 weeks, 1 week, that'll be May 9th, 2024. 9 a.m. bond will continue. instead of 2. So they just got to get the information, talk to you, and then we can look at it. Thank you, Mr. Styron. So, Styron, that was probably one of the smartest decisions you ever made. See ya.
And so there you have it. Yep, it all worked out in the end, you think?
And once again, thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, just click on the link in the description or join right next to subscribe. And if you're still hanging around, thank you. I appreciate you all. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, ring the bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.